Hey guys, and welcome back to my new video. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your own eyebrows from a reference from an image. And these are the eyebrows I made the other day, and was like, since I have to create for the weekend sale, I'll take you with me. So I opened my Lutka Map. To get the Lutka Map, you tap in the Lutka in the search, click on the first one. Here on download, click the Kit Evolution X and save it. So the best way to extract all these maps is using Photopea. It's online and it's free. And here you have everything sorted out, or you can do it on Photoshop. So basically, grab the family head, put it all the way to the top, and click on visible. Export as JPG. Save on your computer. So this is the image I chosen for the eyebrows. They're kind of similar to those that I already have on, but I like them. They look really good and more angled. I'm going to click on crop tool, make sure your cursor is on, and cut it out. I'm going to remove here a bit from the picture and leave the rest. We're gonna go on sharpen because like my products have to be really sharp. Makes the product look better. Go and sharpen a few times. Colorize, and saturation to 0. I'm gonna click color to alpha. Make sure preview is off. Click on the color. Pick up the color from the picture. So click on a new layer. Let's make it a white. So now we go on this layer and we clean it up. Lower the opacity. Okay. Now, of course, we have to test it out how it looks. Resize it. It's more an angled eyebrow, so I have to tweak it. So resize it a little bit more. It's good to test it before doing anything else. You'll press Ctrl A to export it, or you go filter, export as, and do it that way. Make sure it's PNG. So let me take those eyebrows off. When I make eyebrows, I click on the plus sign, clothing into 2, but to test it out, I use universal. Of course, when I put it on universal, it's going to show right away. While on the tattoo layer, I have to save it and exit again. Okay, let's try it on. It's going to look rough because we have to work on it. But overall, it looks good. So a lot of times, you'll have to make it thinner. And I do not like the arch as much. Maybe I have to tilt it more. Maybe make it a bit like shorter. There's a lot of tweaking that needs to be done. And what I'm gonna do now, let me first duplicate it and hide it. In case I mess this one up, filter, distort, eye warp. Radius like this. And now let me see what I want to change. I want to make this part higher and this part lower. So open eye warp. Put it a bit higher. This part a little bit lower. Soften it up, lower it. You always go back and forth, adjusting it. but I need to erase what I don't like. 100. Make sure you put the white one on. Eraser. Opacity. Maybe 35. Click on the beginning. Press it like shift. You can make it more straight. Also on the bottom, click. And then shift. Okay, it's going down. It doesn't have to be all the way. Oh, let me put a white background. Yeah, I kind of want to lift this part up. There's a lot of adjusting going on. And now let's see them both together how it looks. And let's compare it to the previous version. Yeah, I definitely like it now more. Okay, make a new layer. Merge down, duplicate, and flip it. Export. Ooh, I like how they look. I'm gonna merge them together. Go and make them even sharper. And erase this part. I definitely love them. They have a lot of detail. So now I'm gonna tint them in white and export it. And then we're gonna tint them. We close the edit mode, take it off. So I would recommend you when you click here, make new clothing. Tattoo, you right away click on properties. Make sure it's a modifying copy so you don't have to go on later and modify each and every one. So each and every single one. Head tattoo, textures, number 1. See what I said, when you use the tattoo option, it will not show off. So let's save it as. We write in tintable. Like all of them are tintable. If I'm here, you can change the colors. The next one I'm gonna make black. Okay. Save as black. So I like how they turned out. They're looking really cute. So I already tinted my eyebrows, and as you already know, when you go here on this colors, you can like choose a color you like, tint them any color. Like here are nice brown ones, as you can see here. See the black one. You can go from black and just go slowly up to get lighter and lighter and lighter colors. Since you came to this part of the video, I'm gonna give you my codes for eyebrow colors. Like lately I was like with my last pack with eyebrows, I really like sit there and try to figure out a color I like. So you're going to hex and you're going to add a code here. So let me add a code for brown. I really love this brown color. It's not too dark, it's too light. And sometimes it's hard to find a good brown color, so you just can go like and type in the numbers 2A1414 and you're gonna get this eyebrow color. A color that's also hard to kind of make. It's a nice blonde color, and this is the code. Go to hex, type in 7A4F42, and when you're also here, you can also like make them darker or lighter, like from this number alone. Click on rename and copy this name, enter. Look at the first one, click shift up and click on this one. Right click, create folder from selected, Ctrl V, paste it. So you have your folder of your eyebrows. You're gonna take them out to the inventory. And if you have note cards or landmarks, you go and grab them. And I'm gonna grab my master landmark, the read me option, and everything is tintable option. Copy and paste. And here we have it, and now it's ready to be packed up. On the side of my store I have the blogger text box and my like unpacker. Inside of the unpacker I have the sack unpacker script. Go to general, Ctrl V, or right click paste the name, drag and drop. I'm gonna take it, attach to hat, center to. Okay, now I'm gonna add it to my add folder, and then I'm gonna add the ad inside. And this I'll put in my Lutka folder, in the folder called mine. Let me know if you have any suggestions what you want to see me make next. And as always, feel free to leave a like, comment, and if you didn't already, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!